Welcome to today's review of the Swell Network Airdrop, an exciting opportunity for participants to earn Swell tokens by staking Ethereum and engaging with the network's innovative liquid staking system. By staking ETH on Swell, users can mint swETH, a liquid staking token, or rswETH through EigenLayer. These tokens can either be held or actively used within various decentralized finance platforms, generating additional rewards over time. The reward structure centers around earning pearls, which are converted into Swell tokens during special events called wave drops. The longer users hold their swETH or rswETH or interact with DeFi platforms like Uniswap or Pendle, the more pearls they accumulate. Additionally, those who participate in consecutive wave drops can benefit from bonus multipliers of up to 60%. For users who stake their assets in Swell Layer 2, there's even more incentive with a 1.5x multiplier on pearl earnings. Over time, the pearls collected play a crucial role in determining how many Swell tokens participants will receive during the final token generation event. Each wave drop event distributes 1% of the total Swell token supply, providing consistent rewards for those committed to liquidity provision and long-term staking within Swell's ecosystem. This system not only fosters ongoing engagement, but also ensures that users are rewarded for their loyalty and active participation. Now, many are questioning whether the Swell Network Airdrop is legitimate. The Swell Network Airdrop appears legitimate, as it's backed by a decentralized Ethereum-based staking platform with a well-documented reward system. Users earn Swell tokens by staking ETH and holding swETH or rswETH, accumulating pearls that convert to tokens during wave drop events. However, caution is always advised with any airdrop. While the platform itself appears legitimate, users should ensure they engage only through the official Swell Network website and verified DeFi platforms to avoid scams. That's all for today's airdrop video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest airdrop opportunities. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.